First of all, today I'm going to be trying the Maxis base coat. It is supposed to even out imperfections, forming a solid, smooth foundation. It has silk amino acids and cross links to the natural nail plate, and adds cross links to the natural nail plate for added strength and moisturizing effect due to their water retention properties, and it improves adhesion and protects the nail from discoloration. Oh, and it's got tea tree oil for added antiseptic and antifungal properties. So I'm going to be trying this out for about the next week. So keep an eye out for my next Maxis video, which will probably be after Labor Day, that week after Labor Day. It says apply 1 coat to clean dry nails before the application of polish. Now my nails have actually taken a beating this weekend because I did quite a few videos. Because I knew testing this, I wouldn't be able to do any for a while. So I got those out of the way, so we'll see what they look like next week, if they look any improved at all. The second thing I had to figure out is what nail polish I want to wear on my nails for over a week. So I have Bentley hair from the Zoya Luscious collection. And that's the first coat. I'm also going to be using Zoya's Ziv today. I'm going to add Ziv to my pinky. And here is the second coat. And the second coat of Ziv. Now I'm just going to do some fun dotting nail art. And I'm just going to make some dots down one side of my finger. That matches my little pinky. And that's it. Very, very simple. Here's the finished mani. I love how simple this is to do, and I think it looks great. I even have some of the Maxis Jojoba Believe It butter on. I've been wearing this for a few days, and I really love it. And I just, my top coat got all gooey, so I'm going to try their top coat too, because so far I like their other products. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.